And the reveal. On, off, off. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Mr. Green 2002. Good evening. Today we're taking here my 2019 MK7 Jetta S model. We're going to a parking lot here and we're going to be installing some brand new LED interior dome lights. I think they're rated about 5000K or 6000K. They're basically like daylight bright white color when they're on, basically the bulbs. Yes, we're going to go now to a local mechanics parking lot here that I'm going to go to for some small DIY work and whatnot. We're here now, stopping at a red light. We'll get there in a couple of minutes. It's right next to my house basically. I live right by there. And at the same shop I just took my MK7 Jetta to for a brake installation, a rear brake installation. So if you guys are interested, you can watch that video. It's a video directly before this one. It's basically the previous video, the last video I filmed. So I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes when I get to the parking lot. Hey guys, we just made it to our destination here in the mechanics parking lot area basically. So let's go ahead and install these light bulbs and see exactly how well they light up in the dusk basically at nighttime, which is about a couple hours from now. So let's go ahead and do it. So guys, starting out, we use a credit card or debit card or rewards card and start to insert it into the dome light glass piece to pop it up. Then we go ahead and switch over to a plastic pry tool, non-marring one. Make sure to have plastic pry tool that's non-marring. Don't use a flathead screwdriver. You'll end up scratching all the plastic pieces around the dome light area. So once that's done, you also pry up with your fingers. Try to get the glass to come out and be all loose. So you can then access the light bulbs. Here you're seeing here the panel popped up and the light bulb still installed in them. Here I'm trying to take out the light bulbs with that glass panel piece still installed. It's possible to do it if you pull it down far enough, of course. I also tried to pull it out completely, but it was proven to be very difficult. So now I'm just trying to take out the light bulbs. There's one. This one's very difficult to do. Almost got it. And got it. Here you can see guys, the dome light housing of the light bulbs there, just empty. These are the bulbs that I went with. They're Philips wedge bulbs, LED ones. I got them on Amazon and the link to them will be in the description. And there's the light bulb guys. Philips standard 194, I guess you could say 5W5 watt bulbs, the wedge bulbs. And now we simply just stick them back in there. I don't know if these are one way or not. Just to go in like this. There you go. Doesn't want to come on offhand. Try the other one. Okay, it's in. No action, so we'll turn the car on. Still no action. So we'll take them out. Maybe reverse them. There we go. We're getting something now. Apparently they only plug in one way, one direction. Okay, try the other one. And there we go. I just put it in. Was very, very tight and stiff to do, but we did it nonetheless. Now you're gonna put this piece back on. You're gonna make sure back here you pop in these clips in this little hole here. this clip here too. Without doing that, you might break those clips permanently, and you're gonna have to re-glue them. So I'll put these clips in and I'll pop in the housing. Okay, so now we're at the point where all the clips are pushed in the holes, and I think we're able to just push it up easily into the headliner frame here, and we should be all good to go. And already these lights are looking fantastic. Just look at them, they're so freaking bright. Oh my goodness, they look so freaking white. I absolutely love them and recommend them so far. I hope they do last a long time, exactly like they said they're gonna last. I was able, guys, to completely remove this dome light trim piece cover piece. There's little clips. As you see here in the corner, the top right corner here, I broke one of the clips already. Oh my goodness, facepalm. But even with it broken, apparently it still goes in fine. So we'll see how well it does when you go over bumps and stuff. But I kept the plastic piece in case it has problems. I can just take it off again and kind of like, epoxy glue it, like super glue it basically back on. There's the bulb housings themselves, just holes in this black piece. And there it is from the other side. You can see it there. Excellent. And the other way. Wonderful. Now let me try to put this piece back on, as it's proving to be very difficult. It's giving me a very hard time. Okay guys, I just put it back in, and it looks amazing, even with the corner plastic piece broken off. But we'll see how well it does and holds up over bumps and potholes and bumpy roads and whatnot. But I did keep that plastic piece here in my armor's cubby for future use in case if something happens and that corner pops out very easily over bumps or whatnot. I'll just take it all off again and I'll just epoxy basically. Well guys, it's nighttime out. I'm here in my garage. I just unlocked the car and you just saw the dome lights come on. Oh my goodness, it looks so fantastic. So daylight looking, wow. And here's now from the side shot of it. You see the rear dome light is just stock halogen one, whereas the front is actually the LED ones from Philips. It's a big difference. Pretty much 9-day difference. Oh my goodness guys. Again, I highly recommend these bulbs. You should definitely get them and install them. Alright guys, and that concludes this video. This is Mr. 2. I hope you guys enjoyed that little DIY of how to change your front dome light bulbs in your MK7 Jetta. Years 2019 basically, Jetta. I think it's all the models included. S, SE, SEL, GLI. I think they all have the same front dome light. I think the only difference is the rear dome light. So in this video, we're going to be tackling the rear dome light. Alright guys, take care, have a good day. Please like and subscribe for more Mark 7 and Mark 6 Volkswagen Jetta content. Bye guys.